In this video, you will learn how to add data series in Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated a line graph. I have generated this line graph using this set of data. It is the data about the rainfall. In this graph, you can see here I have plotted one data series which is the location A data. Later on, I have added another data series in this graph and the result is in front of you. You can see here I have plotted two data series, location A and location B. Firstly, I have generated this graph and later on I have included a data series in this graph. You don't need to generate separate graph. You can easily incorporate another data series in existing graph without changing the format. I will explain two easy method how to add another data series in Microsoft Excel graph. For demonstration purpose, I will use line graph. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. Save time. Firstly, I will generate a line graph. Select this data. Go to Insert option. And here is the option of line graph. Select this one. From here, I will choose line graph with marker. Now you can see here, we have successfully inserted a line graph. I will resize it using these handles. Currently, you can see here, this is the simple line graph. Now I will include another data series which is the data of location B. Firstly, select your graph. After selecting your graph, here is the option of chart design. Click on this option and here is the option of select data. You can also place your cursor here on plot area and right click. You can find the option of select data here. I will use this option. Click on select data. Now here are two pane. This is the x-axis pane and this is the y-axis pane. Currently you can see here it indicates that there is only one data series. Now I will include another data series. Click on add. Write series name. I will write location B. Now click on series values. Click here. Remove existing data. And from here I will choose this data. After that, click on OK. Now you can see here another data series is added. If you want to include another data series, you can also do that. Simply repeat this step. Click on add. Now write series name, location C. There is the option of series values. Click here. Remove existing data and select the data of location C without headings. Click on OK. Now you can see here there are three data series. Click on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully added two data series in this graph. I will delete this one to explain second method. Again, I will select this data to generate a simple line graph. Go to Insert option and go to Line option. I will select this one. Now I will place it here. Select this graph. Here you can observe a blue line around the data. It indicates that this data is used for generation of this graph. Place your cursor at the bottom. Now you can see here a double arrow sign. Now drag this one to another column to select another data series. Now you can see here we have successfully plotted another data series on this graph without changing any format. So by using any method, you can add another data series in Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.